whatever is available nowadays, of course you want to make use of, diba? It's not also anymore na para nung araw ang gamit ng mga lola natin at swerte. Nung nauso yung lipstick, siguro yung mga unang naglagay ng lipstick, nagsasabi na ganyan. But you know, I'll tell you, to lose 60-something pounds in a span of 9 months, lipo will not do that for you. So, nag-lipo na ako noon. It just changed the landscape of my body. It did not help me. I still had a big tummy. I still had... The thing to do is, when they say, how did you lose weight? And sometimes once I answered sa Facebook, do you remember how you gained weight? Yes. Okay. Do the opposite. So all I said, it's really, you know what now, when I stopped depriving myself, kasi I used to go on crash diets. I did the Scarsdale medical diet. I would still do it every now and then now, admittedly. I did the longest, for the longest time, I did the Cohen diet. On and off. That's what made me lose fast. Ang nakakatakot is the rebound. Excuse me, because both diets are kind of similar. I did the South Beach diet a long time ago. Yun, medyo ang tagal bago bumalik ng weight. Pero wala na yung nagsusupply sa akin noon nung South Beach. Siya yung pinakamasarap na gusto ko, yung food niya. So wala na. So what I did was, ginawa kong kombinasyon. Lahat ng bawal, kunyari, no carbs. Yung isa ko pang anjeta, no fruit. Ayoko naman, gusto ko ng fruit. So ngayon, whatever I want to eat, kakainin ko konti, pero tikim. Parang pika-pika, feeling ko nagtatapas ako sa Spain. Pika-pika. So, but I will eat, kunyari, I like grapes, I just eat grapes para mapuno. And then, for my sweet tooth, I will not deprive myself. Kunyari, I'll have a piece of cake, not the whole slice. Yung na-realize ko, hindi naman pala kailangang isang bandehado yung ubusin mo para makatikim ka ng paella. Pwede naman palang isang platito. So, pag ayaw ko yung food, hindi ko pipilitin kumain. Pag gusto ko yung food, titikim ako. Tapos, pag wala akong maisip, magsasalad ako. Yun yung, I like salads with creamy sauces, but I like Caesars and all that, and I like ranch, and I really love cheese. So, minsan, I can live, you know, I can live with crackers and pate, yung liver, spread, and just cheese. I can live like that. I can live with that and fruit. That's it.